Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view cookies in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches, we'll start by viewing cookies for a specific website you're currently visiting. This is useful when you want to check what data a particular site is storing on your device. Go ahead and navigate to any website you'd like to check. For this example, let's use facebook.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your screen. On the left side of the search bar, you'll notice a small settings icon that looks like a circle with a line through it. Click on this icon to reveal site-specific information and settings. From the menu that appears, click on Cookies and Site Data. This option gives you direct access to all the cookies that this specific website has stored in your browser. Next, click on Manage on-Device Site Data to open a detailed view. Now you can see all the cookies associated with this particular website, including their names and the data they contain. This is particularly helpful when you're troubleshooting login issues or checking what information a site is tracking. Now let's move on to viewing all cookies stored in Chrome across all websites. Navigate to the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the 3 vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can access various browser settings and features. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's full settings page where you can customize every aspect of your browser. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this left side menu. This section controls all aspects of your browsing privacy, including cookies, site permissions, and security features. Next, click on Third-Party Cookies. This setting manages how Chrome handles cookies from websites other than the one you're currently visiting. Now click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This is where Chrome shows you a comprehensive list of every website that has stored cookies on your browser. You'll see all the cookies organized by website, and you can click the arrow down next to each website to expand it and view detailed information about the specific cookies that site has stored. This allows you to see exactly what data is being kept, how much storage each site is using, and gives you the option to remove cookies from specific sites if needed. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to view both site-specific cookies and all cookies stored in Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.